How you doing, CJ Moto? Let's get a little bit of flying in, and then we'll talk a little bit about what we might be seeing on the Spark 2. Hopefully it's going to be coming out soon. It's an overcast day out here. Floating around this parking lot. Let's go over here and have a look. But yeah, we're gonna go inside here and we will talk a little bit more. How y'all doing? This is CJ Moto. I'm not gonna be talking super loud because I'm here in Whole Foods, but I'm just trying out my first video, I guess, actual vlog, video log, just straight up. So I'm a little bit nervous, but anyhow, I got my chameleon cold brewed coffee here, and I'm sitting in Whole Foods. And today I basically just want to spend some time here talking to y'all about this DJI Spark drone and some of the things I would like to see in the future with it. I know there's tons of videos like this, but I just wanted to give you my little take on it and talk a little bit about what I do like about it a lot, which is a lot. But anyhow, let's here's the box right here. Go ahead and open it up. Just have a look at it. I've been flying this thing now. Here's a little look at it. But yeah, I've been flying this thing now for probably 20 or 30 flights, maybe 40 or 50 flights. But anyhow, it's been very, very enjoyable. I haven't had any issues, haven't had any crashes, nothing like that. So, then I just grabbed the gimbal and just jerk it around, why don't I? But yeah, I'd say that brings me up to one thing that I would say they could do is just make the gimbal put a protector on it or something like that for when you're moving it around. But for the most part, it stays very protected in that little box there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back away. Those are up. But yeah, so yeah, we're good. So basically, I went over all the specs on this drone and I just looked at everything, and I mean the 16-minute run time from what I've been seeing. I don't know, I think I can get 15 minutes or so out of it, maybe 12 minutes, but yeah, it would be nice to see something closer to 18 to 20 minute mark, but you know, that's not always going to be completely realistic with what we're looking at here. The legs folding out type thing, I really don't think that's an issue. I like the design of the solid legs. I really like the solid structure of it. And I even put this question, I put it to Facebook, to one of the forums. Let's just see what some of the people said on there real quick. Let's see here. Find this post real quick. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Let's see, where's it at? Where's it at? All over the place. Earlier. Sorry about this, I could edit this out. Here we go. Okay, so one person said battery life of 4 hours. Lee Wormy said that. That's not too realistically. Said he was being a little bit ridiculous with that request. The next person said the Spark 2 is the Mavic Air, and I can kind of see that point, but I don't think they have quite the same price point. So forgive me, I chew Levi Garrett chewing tobacco, so you're just gonna have to deal with that. If you don't like it, then I'm sorry. If you could please forgive me and don't leave the channel, that would be great. Telepathy. Dareth Keogh said telepathy. So I don't even know what that means. I'll have to look that one up, but I think it means mind reading abilities, so I don't know. That would be pretty cool, because then if it does mean mind reading abilities, that means that we could just fly the drone off and just tell it what to do, where to go, everything. You don't need a controller, you don't need to charge a controller, nothing. You just need to eat, basically. The zoom in and out lens, Phil Watkins, I really like that a lot, Phil. I think they should do the zoom in and out lens. Let's see here. Is there a release date yet from Muhammad Alam? No, I don't think there is. Let's see what we got here. No. I'm pretty sure there's not a release date yet. What else? I think that it's going to be soon, though. I really do. I really have a feeling it's going to be soon. Steve Lexa said that he would like folding legs. He would like it to be quieter, better battery life, or Wi-Fi. He said 2 of those 4 and he would be satisfied. I agree with all 4 of those items. I just don't think that I'm too worried about the legs folding. I don't know. I don't feel like this is a very big package. And I really do like, I mean, the sucker is sturdy. The quad itself is sturdy. You don't have to worry about hinges on legs. You don't have to worry about a leg maybe not being where it belongs, you know, properly locking into place. I don't know. I'm sure that's all. And honestly, the air kind of looks a little bit more fragile to me than the Spark, so I don't know if I'm too big on the whole folding legs thing. But yeah, quieter for sure would be nice. Longer battery life would be nice. The Wi-Fi enhanced would be nice. Let's see what else we got here. USB-C, so that would be cool. That would I know when I went to the store the other day, everything was USB-C. I guess I'm not an Android person, but I guess they switched over to USB-C. So yeah, I think that would be nice. Not light enough to not be regulated by the FAA. Chris SQ said, and yeah, I don't know what that weight would be, but anyhow, we'll see. Somebody thinks it's 250 grams, Chris SQ thinks. But anyhow, yeah, those are just some of the things that people said on the forum. Me personally, I would like to see a 3-axis gyro. I would like to see, honestly, I'm not too worried about, personally, I'm not too worried about the 4K. I think the footage is fine at 1080, especially for Facebook. Maybe 60 frames per second. If the speed could just come up from 31 miles per hour to, you know, closer to 40, that would be cool. But honestly, like 31 miles per hour is pretty fast. So that's not a big deal to me. What else do we got here, really? I mean, I think the battery time being longer would be nice. The gyro would be nice if it had the 3-axis gimbal. I mean, sorry, not gyro. And honestly, I mean, as I sit here, oh, the other thing I liked was just maybe a little more bling out the box, like some carbon fiber, or maybe a sport edition with some carbon fiber propellers. But I really think overall they hit the nail on the head. I would like to see a larger battery and some carbon fiber propellers. And other than that, I am absolutely loving this thing. So anyhow, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. Like I said, it was my first time trying to do this whole vlogging, but I'm going to try to do this once a week for y'all. And I was thinking about doing a live video as well, but I'd like to get some more followers first. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you would, and that would really mean a lot to me. Hope you enjoyed this little, you know, 5-10 minute video here at Whole Foods. If you're ever in Shreveport, Louisiana, swing on in Whole Foods and you'll probably see CJ Moto in here doing his thing. But anyhow, with no further ado, I hope y'all have a nice evening, and I hope you enjoyed this. Leave some comments on what you want to see for the DJI Spark. And yeah, hopefully we'll see something new coming out. I know I just went to Best Buy here locally today, and they had the Zoom in stock and the Mavic 2, I guess it is. They had the Mavic Zoom. They had it all in stock. So I didn't even look at the price because I'm not even trying to fork all that out. But yeah, if you are new into drones, definitely go ahead and pick this sucker up for real, because it is awesome. You'll love it. Anyhow, y'all have a good one.